Coming to the common signs and symptoms which the mother has when she is in the first trimester of pregnancy, कुछ common है, कुछ uncommon है, कुछ काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं तो you need some medical help, right? So first thing would be fatigue, which is almost universal. Almost everyone has it. Why? Because all your body systems are working harder. The heart is working harder, your kidneys, all your systems are working harder. Don't worry, take rest, take proper sleep, take an afternoon nap. Not a problem, you deserve it, right? Second, I would say you have aversion to food. कई बार आपको स्मेल से अवर्जन होता है, आपको फेवरेट फूड पसंद नहीं आता है और कई स्मेल्स तो इसको ट्रिगर करती हैं. डोंट वरी, दिस इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी. डोंट वरी, इट्स देयर विद एवरीवन. Thirdly, I would talk about morning sickness, which is the commonest symptom. Almost 80% of females who are in the first trimester of pregnancy, उनको ये रहता है. I don't know why it is called morning sickness, because तो morning में होता है किसी को evening में होता है, किसी को throughout the day होता है. Usually what happens is, it is due to the hormonal changes and due to the regurgitation which you have during pregnancy. इसमें क्या करना चाहिए? Bland food, don't take spicy food, take small frequent meals and always avoid fatty food. If in case you have it much, you can have ginger to your rescue. आप ginger ale ले लो, ginger को chew कर लो, you'll be better. Moreover, आपको बहुत लंबा टाइम फास्टिंग नहीं रहना है. Small frequent meals is the tip. Moreover, अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, you can go and see your doctor. She or he might prescribe you some medicines. और extreme दे रहा है and it's causing dehydration or ketosis, तो आपको admit करके IV fluids and injections भी देने पड़ सकते हैं. But don't visit a doctor if it is much. Fourth is you'll have breast tenderness. Breast tenderness में क्या होता है कि आपको swollen और heavy tender breast होगा. This is again due to hormonal changes. This is normal and common. And also frequent urination is one of the symptoms because again, as I told you, your kidney is working harder and you have some fluid shifts. आपको कई बार रात में जागना पड़ सकता है, बार बार वॉशरूम जाना पड़ता है. दिस इज कॉमन, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. बट अगर आपको इसके से बर्निंग हो रहा है या कोई और इश्यूज आ रहे हैं या क्लाउडी यूरिन है, डू विजिट द डॉक्टर बिकॉज इट कैन बी यूरिन इन्फेक्शन ऑल्सो. Again, a common symptom is heartburn. See, your esophagus, stomach, they don't work the same way as they were working when you were not pregnant. क्योंकि प्रोजेस्टेरोन एक हार्मोन है जो इंक्रीज होता है जिसकी वजह से एम्पटिंग स्लो हो जाती है जो ये esophagus और स्टमक का है. And because of this, food धीरे धीरे नीचे जाता है. Sometimes it comes back. So this regurgitation also causes heartburn. This also causes retching, belching and all. So don't worry, this is part of it. Also you can have constipation again क्योंकि intestine भी empty आराम से नहीं करता है, fast नहीं करता, slow करता है. So you may feel constipated during pregnancy, first trimester majorly. उसके लिए आपको सिर्फ increase the fiber in your diet, take more of water and take small walks to treat this problem. So the first trimester can be very exciting. So take care, have a healthy lifestyle during this period.